guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to take a door out. So the most obvious thing for most people would be to take out the screws from here and then you just take it out and that's it. However, that's wrong. If you just want to take this out, especially if you want to take this out and then put it back on again, that's the worst mistake that you can do. So let me just show you on this door, because this one's the one that we're going to take out, because I need to take out a desk from this room and it's not going to go out unless I take out the door. Anyways, you see this right here? This is a pin. All you have to do is put a screwdriver down here, use a hammer, and then, well, if you have to use a hammer, sometimes you can just push it up. And then this just comes up, this pin, and there you go. You need to do that up here and also down here. So there you go. A little bit of the pin came out. Once that comes out, if your screwdriver can go right through, that's ideal. However, if it doesn't, then just push it from here to the side up, and then it's just gonna pop out. So there we go. We just took this one out. So that's how the pin looks like. And then once you want to put the door back, you just have to align that, put this through, and that's it. You can put some W40 to help you out a little bit, but most likely you won't need that. So a quick note for the bottom one. You won't have too much space to put this in, so just a little bit will come out. And then you just place this right here at the edge with a hammer. You pop it up, and there you go. And that's it. That's how you guys can take down a door. Just off the hinges, and you're all set. You can put it back anytime you want.